it's Megan with WTI, and if you are anything like me, then you probably agree that having great quality sheets is super essential to having excellent sleep. So take it from me that these Good Sleep bedding bed sheets are really cozy and relaxing to lounge in. They are really well made and high quality. Everything about them is stitched together so well. I'm so happy that they fit my queen size mattress perfectly. There was no excessive tugging or pulling to try to get them to go on. The flat sheet was also the perfect size with just enough room to tuck the sheet in snugly all around my mattress. When it comes to bed sheets, I like to keep things as low maintenance as possible, so I was really pleased to see that these sheets wash and dry really well. I don't normally make a habit of ironing my bed sheets unless I really want to go the extra mile, but I did notice that these sheets with just a little bit of ironing came out really crisp looking. They are incredibly refreshing, cool, and airy to lie in. They have a very luxurious and smooth feel to them, and I really find that my body temperature does not tend to overheat when I'm lying in them. These sheets make it so hard to get out of bed, and I mean that in the absolute best way. You're just going to want to lounge in them all day long. But that's just my point of view.